Did you know that turmeric is one of nature's most powerful spices? Rich in curcumin, it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may support overall health. Many people add turmeric to warm milk, soups, curries, smoothies, or herbal tea as part of a balanced diet. For better absorption, combine it with a pinch of black pepper. Remember, turmeric is not a cure for disease, but it can be a healthy addition to your daily meals. For more simple natural health tips, please like, share, and subscribe to Nature's Remedy. Thank you for watching.